God, I just wake up for travel. When I travel, they come. Let me pick this one up. Not easy. Still on the street, Yans, Wazobia TV, they cannot touch the die. Why they say most Nigerians, when they sleep, they snore. Now for Nigeria, I go see different kind of snoring. Some they put bass. Some they east, they snore, they snore, they blow whistle. So many like that, different. Some people say now poverty make person they snore. Why some people say now too much of fat? Why some people say now overwork, over labor, stress for the day, now make person they sleep, they snore. But go enter street now, ask why most Nigerians they sleep, they snore. Or why most people, not only Nigeria, or you don't see where America man they snore. Oh my God. America, you don't see where white man they snore. Even Chinese self, all of them they snore. Snoring is not. Wait, I won't even speak. Another time I will speak. This one are Wazobia TV, Street Yans, Still on the Matter, Channel 195. Why most people they snore? Why snoring? And we get different kind of snoring. Why people they snore? Simple. Make we enter street. Click it there. Why we say most people they sleep, they snore?
Too much fat.
Too much fat. You they snore?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
But you're not fat now.
I'm fat.
You sure?
Yes.
You not get this one.
I'm fat.
Everywhere dry, but no flesh.
I'm fat.
If you how you the snow? But this one not be snow, I cry with this one.
No, let me cry.
Still on the street, yeah. Still on the street, yeah. Bros, why people they snore, they sleep? Why?
Now overdrink.
Overdrink?
Overdrink and cold drink. That's because. Cold drink.
Okay, it's a cold drink. I never know this one before. Cold drink, they make people they snore.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Cold drink and overdrink.
Yeah.
Now when you take one bottle, it will start happening to you. Now when you don't drink so much,
Okay.
a lot of bottle.
A lot of
Green
bottle. Bottle in the body. Green bottle. 4 green bottles standing on the wall. Bro, how far now?
I'm fine.
Why people they sleep, they snore?
They sleep, they snore.
They sleep.
They snore.
Overwork.
Overwork. Stress. It's stress now.
Waiting. Waiting.
I will tell you. If you don't do this thing too much, if you work too much, everything stress.
And those who they taste snuff. Those they taste snuff. And those who get fat tummy. Yes, we don't feel breathe well.
You know the snore.
For where I know they snore. Why go snore? I know they snore. I know they say snore. They don't say smoke. They say snore.
Okay. You the snore. You the snore.
No.
Hello. Do you know say most people they say they don't snore, but you know say if you they snore, you don't say you they snore while you sleep. Now the next person go tell you say you they snore, and you get the way you go to snore. If they wake you up, you go to discuss with that snoring. You know. As you sleep now, where you just wake me up now. Wake me up. All right, still on the matter, Street Yans, making out touch the die. Channel 195. Back there. Yes, I don't see one fine lady. Wazobia TV. How far now? How you doing?
I'm fine.
Well done. See you dey sleep, they snore?
No.
No, not lie. How you tell no? Not be your neighbor will tell you say you snore. Because if you dey snore, you no go know now.
I'm supposed to know now.
You not supposed to know.
I'm supposed to know.
But you dey like snoring?
No.
But if you get married husband and dey snore now, you go like her?
No, God forbid.
But your husband dey snore now?
No, not at all.
Why you dey lie? You don't know whether your husband dey snore?
You know they snore.
You say some snoring be like generator.
No.
Okay, no wahala now. Wetin be dey cause snoring?
Maybe obesity.
Obesity,
fat. Yes.
Only that one, how you know? What of That's when
Drink.
all those things.
I don't know about that one.
No, no, about that one.
Just fat.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Still on the matter. Wazobia TV. Okay, you know this, no?
No, if I did tire,
Wait first, you know this, no?
I did snore.
If you did,
If I did tire, if I overwork myself, I sleep. I don't know what it now. My neighbor they can't knock. So, but what did they happen?
your neighbor they come knock.
No, say wait till they happen. I don't.
sleep.
You know, easy. My brother in Nigeria, you see, though.
Don't say here what this guy talk now. Snoring don't turn to alarm clock for some people.
My brother, Nigeria, the way Nigeria. Nah, Nigeria cause more. Now the government to over labor when you overstress yourself, you sleep. You don't even know what did happen. Now my neighbor they can't knock. So, but what did happen? I say I don't know what you know. My brother.
All right, still on the matter. Quick, good afternoon, sir.
Okay.
Wazobia TV.
Yes, sir.
All right, sir. Okay, you dey snore when you dey sleep.
No, I don't feel snore.
Why you do your body now?
For it, I
Now
don't feel
fat people
snore.
dey snore.
Lie.
Ah, you dey snore. But if you dey snore, you no go know now.
I don't feel snore.
You no go know now.
I don't feel snore,
You dey
bros.
snore.
I don't feel
I saw
snore,
you dey
bros.
snore.
I don't feel snore, bros.
You dey sleep, dey snore.
No.
Eh?
No.
Why? But you fat now, you supposed to snore now.
No, I'm
But they
not.
give us the first time. You know fit?
No.
But your husband dey snore.
No at all.
Why? Madam, you don't dey lie.
I'm not lying.
I know you're lying.
No, I'm not lying.
Yeah. Bros, how far you dey sleep, dey snore?
Why we sleep snore?
You know me now, you know me now. Not me, not be bad thing, not be sin now. Not be sin. What make people dey snore?
Either in drink or stress.
Eh?
Stress, could be stress.
Stress, abi. What of you, auntie?
The same thing.
Same thing.
Yeah.
The same thing. Same thing.
Or sometimes someone that is fat.
So come on here. Put out too much in that. Too much in that.
How you know that one?
All right, y'all still on the street here as Wazobia TV. I'm there with one of Nigeria's finest driver in town. Sela Lawansi. All right, you're there with Toles. Toles, how far?
No problem.
All right, Toles, you dey snore when you dey sleep.
Whether I dey snore, when I dey snore. Why I go snore?
But you dey smoke, you supposed to snore now.
No. It's
You
not
know, you dey
possible.
snore.
I say it's not possible.
The way your
Only
voice,
obesity people that can snore.
the way your voice be, I know say you dey snore.
God forbid, I don't do
You
that.
sure? But you
I'm
get
sure.
anybody when they snore? Your wife go dey snore.
I'm not obesity.
Your girlfriend? Yeah. You just say you know this stuff, Toles.
I know this. I hate it. I hate somebody that is snoring.
You hate snoring. I know, not too bad, not bad.
He bad.
Madam, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. My microphone is smell. My microphone is smell. My mouth is smell. You say they had a big papa. Madam, I don't need to ask you. I know say you go dey snore. All right, still on the matter. Oh, for your low, share what ni? Yeah, back. Share snore. Back. What go? Yeah, come collect.
Give me the money first.
Come. Madam, which umbrella you tie so?
This one.
Come.
Bring the money.
Which kind umbrella?
Bring the money.
Which kind umbrella? Nah, change. No, this one a conductor change, abi.
Give me the money. I will collect it. Mama.
Hello, good afternoon. How far now you dey? May they not tell me say na deaf and dumb full inside this motor. God forbid. Madam, good afternoon. Hey, Father Lord, the Spirit is coming. Laughter, shakeable. Good afternoon. Wazobia TV, how far?
Nigeria the best. Nigeria the best. Nigeria the best. If I see you for
Where you use to repartee so umbrella?
You know what I you? I get my shop now. They praise anybody who know Nigeria no go rest again.
Now which I want me to talk?
So go. Èmi kọ́ òun rí ṣe o. Bring money. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni mo sọ. Abẹ́ jẹ́ carry that thing come out. What is that they lie? No, but let pray make I take come out. Make it get shop. Make I no sour for no see umbrella where are you?
So what you make this one scatter na?
Now to personal na him cause am.
Personal.
Black man don enter 2008. Uncle say God bless you.
No, seriously, recently, madam, I know they see car again. Where car again?
Because the lesson they call because they carry car come out.
Madam, me and you know the quarrel now. Talk to your mind, make they hear you. Okay, like I said. Oh yeah, go tell them make they give like I said. Oh yeah, bring la casera for us. Who they sell la casera?
Oh yeah, bring la casera.
Who bring la casera? Bring la casera.
Abia Wubaya, Basola Flower, Good luck Nepa, Obasa Janset, Tinubu Lasima, Yoruba Mebo, Yibo 419, Hausa Koko Haram, Alaboje Elegba, Delta Wayo, Namumu de Go Boutique, Umbrella for Life, Black Mother Handy. Bye bye.
Madam Koko, you need la casera.
Well, la casera now.
Give her.
God bless
Father Lord. All right, sit on the street here, Wazobia TV, making not touch it there. The woman don't vibrate free. The woman swallow, the vibrate also swallow hold Nokia. Tell on the matter, making not touch it there. Hey, how far now? They snore, they sleep. Why?
Because of the condition of the nation, many people are hungry. So we need somebody that will help us to relieve us from all these problems. See, as we are scattered like sheep without shepherd. So we need a shepherd that will lead us and help us so that we have pasture for your children to eat.
Why you say? Look at that. All right, now like this, we try to wrap up this show for now because I need to do my breakfast for you. Chop this morning before I go anywhere. If you watch me live for Wazobia TV, my name is MC Shaggy, Street Yans, channel 195, start time. Not touch you die. Bye bye. I'm gonna go. I want chop a bag. I'm gonna go. They go now. Come on. Okay, wait for the next program. They come. Wait for the next program.